Vineet here, and today I'm going to discuss on topic ashwagandha. So, are you looking to enhance your bodybuilding journey? So, let's talk about ashwagandha. As you know, ashwagandha, the powerful adaptogenic herb that's gaining traction in the fitness industry or fitness community. So, first, what is ashwagandha? It's an ancient herb known for its stress-reducing properties, but it's not just about relaxation. Research shows it can significantly, boost muscle strength and recovery. So one of the key benefits of ashwagandha is, its ability to increase testosterone levels. Higher testosterone means improved muscle mass and strength gains. So making it a fantastic supplement for anyone serious about bodybuilding. But that's not all, ashwagandha is also, linked to, reduce your cortisol level. And cortisol is a stress hormone that can higher your progress by promoting fat storage, and muscle breakdown. So by managing cortisol, ashwagandha helps you maintain a leaner physique, while supporting muscle growth. So now let's talk about endurance. So, studies indicate that ashwagandha can enhance aerobic capacity, allowing you to push through those tough workouts with, more stamina. So this means longer training sessions and better overall performance. As I know, a lot of people says to me like, I'm not getting energy. So additionally, ashwagandha supports recovery. It's an anti-inflammatory properties which can help to reduce muscle soreness post workout, enabling you to train harder and more frequently without the dreaded burnout. So how do you incorporate ashwagandha into your routine? You can find it in various forms: powder, capsule, or even gummies. A typical dosage ranges from 300 to 600 mgs per day, but always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement. In summary, if you are serious about bodybuilding and looking for that extra edge, consider adding ashwagandha to your regimen. It's not just a trend, it's a game changer for muscle growth, recovery, and overall performance. Get ready to elevate your gains, and you can DM me if you want to transform your body. So I can help you with that, and I can give training like to boost your energy levels and your muscle recovery, because these all things are very important. So guys, thanks for watching me, and keep supporting and liking my videos. And you can ask me any kind of questions if you're facing, like if you're facing problem in your health, you can ask me. Thank you.